Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today in this session we are discussing how to calculate density of a unit cell, solid state, and it is a very important concept for board level as well as competitives. And here I am going to explain density problem which are given previous year 2019 and 2020 for Karnataka board. And in 2019 the problem given, lithium metal has a body center cubic lattice structure with edge length 352 picometers. Calculate density of lithium metal. Atomic mass was given, Avogadro number also given. So given terms we have here for BCC, Z value 2 and the edge length is given edge length A value 352 picometers. You have to convert into centimeters. 352 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter, or you can write 3.52 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. And here given atomic mass capital M, that is 7 gram per mole, and here given Na value already. You know density of unit cell D equal to Zem upon A cube into Na. Substitute the given terms. Z value 2 into mass, lithium atomic mass 7 upon A cube. A value, this I am taking 3.52 into 10 raised to minus 8 whole cube into 6.2022 into 10 raised to 23. If you simplify, 14 upon, and this 3 times 3.52 into 3.52, and you are getting the value 3 times. If you go for 43.614, 8 into 3 24, 10 raised to minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Some more simplification you can do. You are getting 14 upon 262.644 into 10 raised to minus 1. That implies you are getting 0.0533 into 10 power 1. That implies 0.533 gram per cc. This is the density of given crystal. So simply you have to address that. What type of crystal is given? BCC given Z value 2, FCC given Z value 4. Edge length, picometer or nanometer they will give. Immediately you have to convert into centimeter, and mass they will give, and Avogadro number you know very well, that also they will mention. So given answer is 0.533 gram per centimeter cube. Like this, very simple problem you can solve. Go for another problem here. And in 2020 it is given 2020. In 2020 the problem is given: calcium metal crystallizes in a face center cubic unit cell with edge length 0.556 nanometer. Calculate the density, and calcium mass is given, Avogadro number is given. Same problem for FCC, face center cubic cell. Z value is 4. Z value 4. You are getting Z value 4 for FCC. And edge length was given. Edge length A equal to 0.556 nanometer. Immediately you convert into centimeter. That is 0.556 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeters, or minus 9 meters also you can write. Clear? Or this value you can convert into 5.56 into 10 raised to minus 8 also you can write. Minus 8 centimeter. So all the terms are there. Density D equal to Zm upon A cube into Na. Go for substitution. Z value 4 into mass is given, calcium 40 upon A cube. 5.56 into 10 raised to minus 8 whole cube into 6.20 into 10 raised to 23. Go for here. This is 160 upon 5.56 3 times. 5.36 5 times. And you are getting 171.87 into minus 8 into 3 minus 24 into 6.022 or 23, no problem, power 23. That implies 160 upon, if you multiply these two, and you are getting the total value as 1035 into 10 raised to minus 1. Some simplification, you are getting 160 upon 1035 into 10. That is equal to clearly 1.5455 gram per centimeter cube. So density is given as derived as 1.5455, and this is the density of this problem which given for calcium concerned. So you have to remember that BCC given Z value 2, FCC given Z value 4. Edge length they will give in picometer or nanometer, that you have to convert into centimeter, and mass they will give, and Avogadro number you know very well. So simple substitution and calculation. Like this you can calculate any problem based on BCC, FCC of crystals density, and it is important for competitive also. If still any difficulty is there, you go and make a comment. I will explain with a different. Thank you.